I'm Chef Tristica, and today we're making Mexicali corn. This is a wonderful side dish, and it's super easy. I have my meats in front of me. I have my recipe. I have corn. I have green peppers. I have chili powder. I have paprika, and I have, let's see what I got here, Mexican seasoning, okay? So I have my corn already portioned out into a 4-inch deep hotel pan, okay? And I'm just gonna put my chopped peppers. These were done by hand, but if you want to run them through the Robo-Coop and just pulse it, that's fine too, okay? So I'm gonna get all those yummy vegetables out there. Done. All right, move those around a little bit. And then I'm just gonna add all my seasonings that I've already portioned out, part of my mise. Get them all up in there. Nice colorful dish. Just gonna give them a little stir around. Okay. Once they're all stirred around, shake that out a little bit. I am going to wrap it and then pop it into my steamer for 7 to 10 minutes, or until it comes up to temp. Mexicali corn. See you in a few minutes. Corn's done. See what we got here. Yummy. Give that a little stir. Make sure all the seasonings are well incorporated, touching every corn kernel. Alright? So, before I take this to my line, what am I going to do? I'm going to taste my food. Good. Hey, Chef Maritza, come taste this.